before we go any further, sure, I suppose we better introduce ourselves. What do you think? Okay, so. On the fiddle, on the guitar, on the blonde, on the vocals, it's Laura.
Hello.
And closer here again beside me on the shoes, on the accordion, on the melodeon sometimes, on the vocals, it's Evelyn.
Competition, who can go more blonde? Constant competition, who can be the blondest?
Bit of white hair by the time we get down to Team Mars. And on my left, on the keys, on the sparkly whistle, on the tights, it's on the vocals, it's CaiLini. And on the baron, on the spoons sometimes, on the sparkly shoes, and on the vocals, it's myself, I'm Tara. We are CaiLini for anyone new who's joining us. So we're going to keep things going now with a song that we think you're all going to know, so you have to join it.
Home on a fine soft day, let's see you clapping. And I ask your friend, what's the better to do? If her hair was black and her eyes were blue, our troubles are round, I'm alone as well. But I ain't saying nothing, I can go away, girl, my sister is on the far end of the band there. We're being kept very far apart.
They placed the two in between us. We have to monitor proceedings to get a little bit...
Jokes.
Sisters.
Soldiers, the kind of young man, she it. With your crying, get on with it. And this is the story of my dog called a crazy old bastard from Donegal. He moved to New York and man, he said you could have had it all. Bang, bang, shotgun. Shotgun.
By the age of 18, I grew up. When the picture was the mountain and the man. Dutch Schultz was the king of the Bronx. He took a young man, dog, and shook his hand. He said, kid, I'm gonna take you under my wing and make you richer than your wildest dreams.
This is the story of my dog called a crazy old bastard from Donegal. He moved to New York and man, he said you could have had it all. Bang, bang, shotgun. Shotgun. Years went by and my dog grew. So when he heard it was all he knew. July 28, 1931, a routine kidnapping went wrong. Police started screaming, the crowd went wild. My dog shot a 5-year-old child. This is the story of my dog called a crazy old bastard from Donegal. He moved to New York and man, he said you could have had it all. Bang, bang, shotgun. Shotgun.
Of all the Jews and the Italians that my dog was, he was killed by an Irish boss. Only man has nation law. Paid 20,000 to kill my dog. On Main Avenue on 23rd Street. My dog, he is someone to meet. He was shot down cold. My dog, 24 years old.
24. This is the story of my dog called a crazy old bastard from Donegal. He moved to New York. Oggy, oggy, oggy. Oggy, oggy, oggy. Next up now, we're going to play a set of jigs for you. The first one is called The New Wind, and I composed this jig back in 2020 during the hard COVID times, and we were stuck inside in the house, and sure, Katie and I were nearly killing each other, so we had the caravan parked up outside the house, so I went out into it. Not true.
The caravan that was going nowhere that summer, so I went out into it to feel like I was in Milton Malby or somewhere, and started composing some tunes, and this is one of them. It's called The New Wind, and we'll follow it then with another jig, so hope you enjoy. giggling.
We're gonna sing another original song next. This song is up on Spotify, and it's been up for about a year, and it's called XOX. One of us wrote it. I didn't write it, I'm just gonna say that much. But one of the girls wrote it. It's all about a bold boy, and someone got their heart broken. So they wrote a song about it, and we got our revenge through the song. Therapy. So try and figure out who wrote the song based on the emotion that you'll see. Oh yes, in the chorus we're gonna say XOX. So if you want to get involved, you can do XOX, or you can do XOX with your fingers. You know, just get involved, or come on up and make a big XOX.
We like any variation of XOX. Yeah, it usually helps when you've had a pint or two. But
I've had 2 coffees, so that's what's on with me. 1, 2, 3,